Hi there, this is my presentation on Western Digital. I'm going to start by introducing a little bit about the history of the company. Western Digital Corporation is the computer data storage company and one of the largest computer hard drive manufacturers in the world. The company was founded by Alvin Phillips on April 23, 1970. Alvin originally named it General Digital and then later adopted its current name, Western Digital, around 1971. The company's headquarters is located in San Jose, California. Western Digital mission statement is to satisfy our customers by providing world-class computing products and services. We will accomplish this mission through investment in people and technologies that generate sustained profitability. So what did Western Digital do to gain recognition? In the early years, the company was known for manufacturing calculator chip, and it was the largest calculator chip maker in the world. Western Digital invented the controller WD-1003, which got them the contract with IBM. The controller later became the basis of the ATA interface. In addition, the company also introduced the Caviar line hard drives that features brand new designs that use latest and embedded servo and computerized diagnostic systems and offer ATA hard drive with 8 megabytes of buffer, which was a technology breakthrough at the time, considered most hard drives out there came with 2 megabytes of buffer. Who is credited for the company's success? There are many stories at Western Digital. The most noticeable ones, the ones that paved the way to successful Western Digital as we know today, are Alvin Phillips, Roger Johnson, Catherine Brown, and Charles Haggerty. Alvin Phillips was the founder and president of Western Digital from its inception until 1976. He had contributed greatly to the company through his technical experience in semiconductors. Roger Johnson joined the company in 1982. He saw the potential of supplying computer chips to personal computer manufacturers. Catherine Brown recommended that the company should focus on supplying hard disk storage to original equipment manufacturers. Her decision has tremendous effect on the future success of the company. Then, under the leadership of Charles Haggerty, Western Digital had moved from standalone memory storage production to integrated disk drive storage production. What was it like in Western Digital in the early years? In 1970, with the investment of Emerson Electric Company, Western Digital began manufacturing calculator chips. In this period, they also introduced several breakthrough technologies, such as the MCP 1600 multi-chip micro-coded CPU. However, the integrated chip that drove the company forward integration was the FD1771 chip. This was the first disk drive formatter / controller that replaced the time-to-live logic board. We also see in this period that Western Digital has entered the data storage industry. They also won contract with IBM in supplying hard disk drive controllers. So what products or services that contribute to the company's success? The MCP 1600 chip, which is a multi-chip microprocessor, and the FD1771, also known as the first disk drive controller, had contributed tremendous success and profitability to the company in the early years. In 2003, Western Digital offered the first 10,000 RPM serial ATA hard drive, the WD-360GD Raptor, with a capacity of 36 gigabytes and an average access time of less than 6 milliseconds. In 2007, with the acquisition of magnetic media maker Comac, Western Digital introduced the energy-efficient green power range of hard drives, notable for their very low power consumption and heat dissipation, but still offer surprisingly good performance. Where is the company headed? The company focuses on accelerating the future of next-generation computing architectures for big data and fast data environment. To achieve this task, Western Digital expands the ability for data-centric compute architectures to scale resources independently from one another. They also bring compute power closer to data. As a result, customers will be able to minimize data movement at the edge within their data centers, optimizing processing that is based on location, workload, or time value need. Western Digital accelerates the RISC-V ecosystem, which is an open instruction set architecture based on established reduced instruction set computing by transitioning future core processor and controller development to the RISC-V architecture. In December 2016, the company unveiled advanced storage platform technology for ultra-high performance, fast data, cloud scale applications. They also highlight a all-flash storage platform that delivers 18 million input/output operations per second of performance. Then in October 2017, Western Digital introduced the world's first microwave-assisted magnetic recording hard drive. This technology will enable the company to address the future of high-capacity storage by redefining the density potential of hard drives and introduce a new class of highly reliable ultra-high capacity drives. Western Digital was the first manufacturer that successfully manufactured the helium-sealed hard drives that have great features such as greater storage capacity, low power consumption, and less noise. What will the future hold for Western Digital? As the scale of data continues to increase and the diversity of application workloads expand, the world will need new data storage technologies and architectures. The company is set out to fuel the next decade of big data with advanced technologies to achieve growth. The company also emphasizes on the importance of the energy-assisted recording technology in the quest to bring lower cost, high reliability storage to the data center. What is Western Digital's contribution to the technology world? Western Digital has been a great contributor in the technology world from the moment the company first established. With the latest introduction of advanced technology such as microwave-assisted magnetic recording that aim to increase the drive capacity and performance, the helium-sealed technology that redefine the hard drive capacity and performance, and along with the advanced storage platform that delivers great input-output of operations, Western Digital continue to carry the leading role in data storage technology.